guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the NOTWOWAYS SYZYGY. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So let's get into it. So today we've got a look at one of our favorite brands here at Oneupreviewz, fellow YouTuber Callux. He's branched out and he's trying to do, well, he has established himself as a footwear designer and a footwear business model with NOTWOWAYS. Big shout out to the designer himself, Rockwell. We love your work, guys. Keep on doing what you're doing. And for those that don't know, NOTWOWAYS was built out of the brainchild of Rockwell and the YouTuber Callux. So we've done tons of reviews in the past, so do check those out. We've got a look at a brand new colorway, and it is the SYZYGY, which so happens to be the pure white, onyx black, NOTWOWAYS orange and night grey colorway. And we got these in the UK size 6, it's European 39, and it's US women's 8.5. Big shout out to our very own Christopher, who was able to nab a pair. And guys, this was pretty difficult to get because there was only 2,000 pairs made, and it was such a limited release when they dropped on the 28th of February. I know we're a bit late, but we've got it and we're reviewing it for you guys right now. So we have a look at the box. Very different box now. We got a white box. However, you still got the NOTWOWAYS DNA. You got that little triangle cutout where you can see the inside, and you got Callux's signature, Rockwell's signature as well. QR code with the NOTWOWAYS logos as well. Really dope. Very premium box for a great brand. And here we go. There it is. So we've done tons of reviews of NOTWOWAYS in the past. They're pretty much the same silhouette apart from the After Dark, which is more of a sock runner. But the other ones, I mean, the Après City, forgetting the names off the top of my head, but they are very much the same shape and they've got the same cuts as well. But we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole of this SYZYGY is an all rubber outsole here. You can see it there with the traction patterning, very reminiscent of your hiking boots. It's great that it's made out of recycled rubber as well. And you can see the Phylon midsole there with it's essentially exposed. Moving along onto the midsole, you can see the Phylon midsole that's used here, and it is made out of recycled Phylon as well. Well, it's recycled foam, and you can see it around. There's little speckles of, well, they look pink to me. You can see little pink dots. Great little detail to add to the sneaker, because otherwise it'll just be a black and white sneaker. But we move along to the upper, and that's where you've got your heavy hitters. You've got your mix of materials, very premium materials, I might add. So if you look at the toe box, where the strips of black are, you see your Nubucks. As you can see here, just over that you got your bits of white leather, and underneath that you can see the meshes on the underlay. So again, the overlays are made out of Nubucks and leathers. You can see it with the black, the whole white cuts there as well of white leather, and just underneath it you can see the mesh that's underneath. Very reminiscent of an Air Jordan 4, the white cements, with that netting that's incorporated there. You got a thick tongue here, very nicely padded. Lacing system with your fast lace system there with the round laces, and it comes with another pair of laces. You've got a choice between black and this white and grey. Gold aglets used there as well. NOTWOWAYS logo on the tongue, and what I really like about this is very subtly detailed here. You got the paisley print on the inside of the tongue. Again, like a lot of the NOTWOWAYS sneakers, they're essentially a sock booty fashion here. So you can see the mesh there where you slip your feet in. You've got your heel slippage right there. If it's a bit difficult to get your feet in, you've got this plastic pull tab in this translucent black, and you've got these strips here as well in the translucent white. that rounds off my review. The guys at NOTWOWAYS have done it again. One thing I might add actually is that it isn't as much as an angle. It seems like they've cut it a bit more, well, they've cut a bit less on the shape of the sneaker, so it isn't like thicker on the back of the heel. Whereas unfortunately I don't have a pair of the older ones on my person right now, but essentially the heel is a bit smaller than previous models, which is great because you don't want that kind of arch and a lot of depth into your step when you're walking. The guys, again, thank you for watching. Callux, Rockwell, we've knocked out of the park again. These were an instant sellout. I don't know how much they're going for at the minute at StockX, but again, these were instant sellout. That just shows how fast the guys at NOTWOWAYS are just selling out and establishing themselves as a footwear brand, which is great to see. Big shout out to Callux and the guys again. Big shout out to Chris, who I'm going to leave you in his capable hands of showing the on feet. So that's me signing out my part. Chris, over to you.
As with all NOTWOWAYS, these fit true to size. I'm a size 6, I've got these size 6. They're nice and snug, hug your foot, pretty perfect. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram. It's Oneupreviewz with a Z. Peace.